Hello and welcome to Preparation with the Northern Ward. Today we are preparing chili cheese fries. Yep, you heard correctly, chili cheese fries. Firstly, take a good sized potato and peel away the skin. As we don't like to waste anything here at the Northern Ward, save the skins and bake or fry with some salt for some awesome homemade crisps. Using the bridge technique we discovered in our last preparation video, cut your potato in half. This will make it easier to cut into fries later. Be careful not to cut yourself. I like my fries to be thin, but you can have them any thickness you like. Just be mindful they will take longer to cook later on. Add your fries to water. Now that is done, leave to soak for 30 minutes. This will help them crisp up when we come to cook them later on. After 30 minutes, drain the water and remove any excess water from your fries with a paper towel. Okay, same as with our muffins. You'll need 3 pieces of tin foil and some oil. We like to use spray-on oil for a more even distribution. Add your fries. Fold in the sides, creating a handle on the top. This will help you later when checking on them when cooking. Okay, we've cheated a little here, using some leftover chili. However, the recipe is in the description below. Chili cheese fries without cheese is just chili fries. So grate some cheese. A couple of handfuls should be enough. Bag it up and you're ready to cook. The Northern Ward would like to thank you all. We've hit 25 subscribers since we launched. For those who haven't hit subscribe yet, now's the time to join, as our camp grows every Wednesday and Saturday with all new exciting recipes. Don't forget to like and comment to show your support and to check out our other videos. Remember to keep those fires burning. Peace out.